Hello YouTube creators, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something special for you, especially if you're serious about growing your YouTube presence. I'm excited to share insights on a tool that's been a game changer for many creators out there, and it's a tool called vidIQ. And the best part, they've just rolled out an incredible Black Friday deal you won't want to miss. First thing first, what does vidIQ do? Well, vidIQ is not just a tool, it's your secret weapon. Your secret weapon for conquering the YouTube algorithm. It's founded by seasoned YouTubers. So vidIQ offers a robust software toolkit that provides advanced analytics and insights to expand your YouTube presence. At its core, vidIQ serves as an SEO and optimization engine fine-tuned for YouTube. It helps you to conduct competitive research, find trending topics, enhance your video metadata, design click-worthy thumbnails, and even track video analytics beyond YouTube's basic metrics. It's like having a backstage pass to YouTube's recommendation algorithm. And now here's the exciting part. To celebrate Black Friday through Cyber Monday, vidIQ is offering a 50% discount for 6 months on the monthly vidIQ Boost plan. And for the yearly plan, you can get it at a special Black Friday price of USD $199. That's a significant saving from the regular USD 588. You need to use unique discount codes, so go to the description below and click on my blog post. In my blog post, I give you the discount codes there. But hurry, these offers are valid only until December 1st. Now the big question, is vidIQ worth paying for? Absolutely. For new YouTubers or those still figuring things out, vidIQ can greatly amplify your channel's traction. It helps fast-track sustainable success in today's crowded YouTube landscape by providing insights into the mysterious YouTube algorithm. So whether you're just starting or looking to take your channel to the next level, vidIQ is a tool you should seriously consider. The Black Friday deals make it even more enticing. You need to use unique discount codes. Go to the description below and click on my blog post. There, I give you the discount codes there. And so remember, quick, redeem this year's biggest savings before the Black Friday clock expires. Thanks for watching and happy creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable tips and deals. See you in the next video. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.